Volvo's latest compact electric sport utility vehicle, the EX30, is making waves in the automotive world with its thoughtful design, sustainability focus, and exceptional safety features. As the smallest member of Volvo's all-electric lineup, the EX30 brings a minimalist aesthetic and advanced technology to drivers seeking efficiency without compromising on safety or style. Euro NCAP recently evaluated the Volvo EX30, and it achieved the highest possible safety rating of 5 stars, highlighting the brand's unwavering commitment to safety innovation. Built on a dedicated electric platform, the EX30 is designed to protect its occupants while minimizing harm to other road users. Its robust structure and advanced driver assistance systems deliver a secure driving experience, making it a standout choice for safety-conscious buyers. Beyond its safety credentials, the EX30 emphasizes practicality and eco-conscious design. Inside, the cabin features a clean, Scandinavian-inspired layout with sustainable materials, proving that luxury can coexist with environmental responsibility. Despite its compact size, the EX30 offers ample space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile choice for urban adventures. With its blend of cutting-edge safety, elegant design, and sustainable engineering, the Volvo EX30 is more than just a city-friendly vehicle. It represents a new standard for electric sport utility vehicles in its class.